This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 10 of the 2016-2017 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 49,695 tons of cane. Since the beginning of the crop, the factory has milled a total of 435,566 tons of cane. That is 2,363 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 437,929 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 5,704 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 10, and a total of 44,582 tons since the commencement of crop. That figure surpasses the 39,325 tons produced last year. For the 10th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 7,099 tons cane per day and 6,222 tons cane per day for the 10 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 6,256 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 10, juice purity first expressed stood at 88.46%, 86.14% for the 10 weeks of crop, and 84.04% last year. For the 10th week of crop, it took 8.71 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. Since the beginning of crop, TCTS stands at 9.77. Last year, it stood at 11.14. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.62% was recorded for this week, 95.99% for the 10 weeks of crop, and 95.43% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 99.07% and 96.98% for the 10 weeks of crop. Last crop, it was at 94.41%. According to the report from BSI ASR, factory performance was good with 49,695 metric tons milled for the week.
Cañeros, cañeras, ¿qué es POL? POL es la cantidad de azúcar sacarosa en la caña. ¿Cómo se mide el POL? Una muestra del jugo de caña entregado al molino se lleva al laboratorio en la fábrica. Este jugo se filtra y se utiliza un polvo de clarificación para remover el lodo y otros materiales. Un polarímetro se utiliza para medir el POL o la cantidad de azúcar en el jugo de la caña limpia. ¿Por qué se mide POL? POL se mide para determinar la calidad de la caña. This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.